In this video, I am going to show you how to design a professional title slide in PowerPoint. Learn how to combine fonts, colors and image to make a great first impression. So let's start the video. Go to View tab, click on Guides. Go to Insert, click on Shape. Select Oval, drag it. Then align center and align middle. Go to Insert, click on Shape. Select Rectangle, drag it. Duplicate and adjust. Select all, go to Merge Shape, select Subtract. Shape Outline, make it no outline. Right click, go to Shape, increase transparency. Duplicate two and increase their size. Right click, select New Slide. Go back to Insert, click on Picture, select and insert it. Duplicate the slide 3 times. Select this shape, cut using Ctrl X and paste here. Select both, go to Format, select Intersect. Do the same with the rest. Select one picture at a time, cut it using Ctrl X and move to another slide and paste it. Select all and select inner shadow from preset. Increase blur size. Select picture, go to Format, click on Color, select this. Add nature information here. And that's how you learn how to design a professional title slide in PowerPoint. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.